So what's the biggest problem with the Jeep? This right here. See, if you go anywhere, people can reach in and steal your stuff. And so I found a cheap way for about, I don't know, 50 bucks to fix it. 3/4 inch piece of plywood. Stick it in there, cut it to rough shape, and then use a jigsaw to cut out the shape you need to fit around all of these little crevices and curves. And then what I did here was cut off this piece to make it easier to get it in and out. And these are Craig jig pocket holes so that once it's in there, it's one solid piece again. And then you can wrap it with anything that you want. So here is the finished product. So you see you have the piece of wood covered with a piece of leather-like carbon fiber looking vinyl. It's a little dirty because it's been sitting outside all day in the sun, but you can see fits in there pretty nice after it's all put in. Made a little plate right here just as a support. It's kind of hard to see, but basically prevents anybody from putting their hand in here and also helps support this so it's level. See, underneath all the sits on one side on the sub, and the other side, that little piece that I just wrapped. And all we did was wrap the vinyl and used a pneumatic stapler all the way around, slowly stretching it, cutting it, fitting it together. Added bonus is get better base, but that's kind of the after effect. So we're taking this on a 6,000 mile road trip with our 2 kids out west. So it should be pretty cool. It'll help protect our stuff when we have the top down so that no one can grab our stuff. So here's what the top looks like with the top on. As you can see, fits flush up tight to the bar. No issues with that. And you can kind of see screwed in these little kind of L brackets and just zip tied it to the child anchor points. Try to get it to zoom in there. And that way it keeps it secured. I thought about doing another secured on the front, but just with those two, honestly, no one's yanking this thing off. There you can get a little bit of the panel that I built to kind of block hands from coming back here. And that's it.